In this class, we are going to discuss about question number 6, exercise 9.3, circle. Observe this question. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. ABCD is what? Cyclic quadrilateral, whose diagonals intersect at a point E. Diagonals of this quadrilateral intersecting at point E. If angle DBC, what? Angle DBC, this angle, this is what? 70 degree. DBC is 70 degree, and angle BAC, this one, and it is what? 30 degree. Clear? Find BCD. BCD, this angle we want. Clear? So, how we will obtain this one? Observe carefully. We want what? BCD. Clear? The angle, we know one theorem, the angles in the same segment. Observe carefully. The angles in the same segment are equal. Observe. BC is what? Chord. BC is one chord, and angles in the same segment. This chord making this angle and this angle. Observe carefully. The angles in the same segment are equal. What is the meaning of this one? Angle BDC equal to angle BAC. Yes or no? Observe carefully. One theorem we are having. What theorem? The angles in the same segment are equal. So, once we observe this figure, then this angle BAC, this angle equal to this one BDC, this one. This is 30, it means this will be what? 30 degree. And why these two angles are equal? Because these angles in the same segment. What? These angles in the same segment. This is the one theorem. So this angle and this angle both will be what? Equal, because these are where? In the same segment. So angle BDC equal to angle BAC implies angle BDC will be what? 30 degree. Clear? Angle BAC we are having 30 degree. So angle BDC will be what? 30 degree. Clear? Now in triangle BDC, sum of all three angles will be what? 180 degree. Two angles we are having, remaining angles we can obtain easily, and this thing we want. So in triangle BDC, angle BDC plus angle what? DBC plus angle BCD equal to what? 180 degree. Yes or no? One is BDC plus DBC, this one, plus BCD, this we want. In this triangle, sum of these three angles will be what? 180. This is given in the question 70 degree. This we obtained. This one equal to what? 30 degree. Why? Because these two angles are where? In the same segment. Clear? So the angles in the same segment are what? Equal. So we can say this 30, it means this will be 30. This will be what? 30 degree. So these two angles we are having for this triangle, this can be we obtain easily, and this one is required one. So we can say, putting the values, angle BDC is the 30 degree plus angle DBC, this one given in the question 70 degree, plus angle BCD we want so this will be equal to 180. So finally solve. 70 plus 30 will be 100 degree plus angle BCD equal to 180. Solve for BCD. Angle BCD will be what? 180 degree minus 100. Finally we are getting 80 degree. This is the required answer. One answer we obtained. Find BCD. BCD will be what? 80 degree. How we are getting this one? Simple process. This angle and this angle we are having in the question, given in the question. So this angle and this angle, these two angles will be equal. Why? Because the angles in the same segment are equal. So this 30, so this will be 30. This one and this one we are having for this triangle. So remaining angle we can obtain by subtracting both from 180. Clear? So we are getting 80 degree. Now if AB equal to BC, given if AB equal to BC, AB equal to BC, what is the meaning? This side equal to this side. It means in a ABC triangle is what? ABC triangle is what? Two sides of a triangle equal, then that triangle is called what? Isosceles triangle. So equal sides, opposite angles will be equal. AB equal to BC implies angle BAC equal to angle BCA. BAC equal to BCA. Why? This is the isosceles triangle in which two sides are equal. Equal sides, opposite angles will be equal. So we can say angle BAC, this angle will be equal to BCA, this one. It means angle BAC equal to BCA equal to what? 30 degree. Clear? Find ECD. ECD, this thing we want. So we know well sum of both angle will be what? BCD, and this thing we obtain. So angle BCA plus angle what? Angle ECD, sum of both angle, this one and this one, sum of both angles will be what? Angle of BCD. Putting the values, BCA equal to what? 30 degree plus angle ECD we want, and both will be equal to what? Angle BCD, and this thing we obtain 80 degree. Solve for angle ECD, and this will be equal to what? 80 minus 30 degree, we are getting 50 degree, and this is required answer for second one. Observe again, two things we want. Simple question. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. This is what? Cyclic quadrilateral whose diagonals intersect at point E. Cyclic quadrilateral, diagonals are intersecting at E. Clear? BDC is 70 degree, BAC is 30 degree. Find BCD we want. So how we will find this one? Once we observe, we are getting this angle equal to this one. Why? Because one theorem we are having, the angles in the same segment are what? Equal. From the theorem, this will be equal to this one. Now observe this triangle. This angle we are having in the question, this we obtained. Then this angle we require, and this can be obtained by subtracting both angles from 180. Sum of these three angles will be what? 180. So 180 minus sum of both, we are getting BCD. Answer of this one. Clear? Now we require what? ECD. Now second thing we require ECD. And one thing we are having in the question, if AB equal to BC. AB equal to BC, then what will be the ECD, this angle. Once this side equal to this one, it means this triangle is what? Isosceles. So we can say equal sides opposite angle will be equal. It means this 30, it means this will be 30. Total angle we obtain 80 degree. Total angle BCD is what? 80 degree. This will be 30 degree. So this will be what? 80 minus 30, 50 degree. This is the required answer. I hope you understand this question. That's all about this question. Thank you so much.